The swash plate is a major component of helicopters. This complex part is of great significance for the control of the helicopter rotor. In this video, I will present one example of a patent I have filed. For a more elaborate description, please refer to the text below. This simple setup is used as a demonstration example. I have omitted the rotating parts of the swash base as they are not part of the invention and if implemented would not be different from a conventional solution. The conventional helicopter swash plate has a complex design. The kinematic components and actuators are not integrated in one system. The kinematic movement of a conventional swash plate is accomplished by a ball and sleeve setup mounted around the rotor mast. The new approach presented here does not require this setup. The revolutionary approach of this invention is that the spherical joint and sleeve are replaced by three simple levers or rods. In this special case, the actuator and kinematic functions are achieved with 3 units. Each unit consists of a rotational joint, a lever driven by a servo, and a spherical joint. The turning angle of the rotational joint is limited to a few degrees. I would like to mention a few advantages of the solution. Design simplicity. Less parts mean less weight. Easy maintenance, that is, easier accessibility of the parts. Less joints in the load train result in reduced bearing clearance. Less restrictions around the rotor mast. The swash plate structure can be placed further away from the rotor mast. High reliability because there are less parts to fail. Due to the simple structure, the costs are lower. With this invention, it will be easier to implement a rotor mast with a larger diameter. For instance, with a non-rotating rotor mast, a rescue system or cameras could be installed on top of the rotor mast. The shown example employs 3 RC servos as actuators and a P. Moroni servo board for the actuator motion control. First, a vertical movement of the swash plate is demonstrated. The second example rotates the swash plate around the shown axis. The third example rotates the swash plate around the other horizontal axis. Please note the small rotation angle of the servos. Especially in the multicopter drone world, the simple mechanics of the design is stressed as an advantage. The lower efficiency of multicopter drones compared to the helicopter configuration is accepted. This invention will be a step forward in favor of conventional helicopter configurations. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it interesting.